and good day. This is the 4-step cure, tip number 9. We discussed this in prior tips. Your sacred space. Now let's set this sacred space up. Now, I don't care if you call it an altar room, if you call it a prayer room, tomato. Who cares? Just create it. I said this is non-denominational. It doesn't matter. What matters is you find a space where you can connect with yourself. So let's talk about some things that you need to have in this space. First of all, privacy. I don't care if you throw up a curtain to seclude yourself from the distractions. You need to have a mirror. You need to talk to yourself. You need to see yourself. You need to believe in yourself. Affirmations. We've created by now 5 powerful affirmations with a lot of energy, a lot of emotion. Pictures. You have pictures of your ancestors, any people you love that's even still alive. You put pictures in there so that when you're in this space, you feel love, you feel joy, you feel comfort. Some may say a glass of water, a glass of wine, candy, cigars, whatever brings you joy and whatever has brought your ancestors joy in the past. You put that in your space. Also, which we'll get into this later, a vision board. You make sure your vision board is right there in your sacred space. So it reminds you while you're praying every day of the things that you wanted. And that is my pushing point for today. Please have a wonderful day.